So, as I was saying, I said the only thing that can improve you in your training is when you practice yourself. It's only when you get to do the task I give you guys. The task is not to assess anybody. I just want to see if you guys are getting what I'm trying to see. Because if you guys are keep watching the videos and you are saying no question, no question, it put an impression in me that you guys already know what we are doing. You understand? When you don't have any question, and the only time when you can have question is when you put what you've heard or what you see into practice. When you go to the chart yourself and you try to do exactly what I did in the chart and you can't get it, that's when you have questions. But you guys are not doing it. I understand everybody have virtually different things they have at time that they are doing. Everybody has his other things that they do. Everybody has other job, or everybody is in school or something. But right now is one of the best time you can sit tight with Forex and learn, because virtually the word itself is in pause. So before the word you could recover back, you can just use that time to attain these skills, and I'm sure these skills will pay you for life. This is a skill that once you know it, nobody can take you away from you. And this is a skill that can turn thousands to millions for you. You understand? So you guys, like only two, Mr. Kenny and Mr. Daniel have been doing the tasks I really asked them to do. The rest of you really are not really turning up. Please buckle up and do more. Please, that's the only thing that can make you know what. Like Mr. Daniel and Mr. Kenny now, I've seen I've seen what they can do. I've seen where they are lacking, and that's what I'm going to talk on tonight. So the rest of you that did not do it, I will not know where you are lacking, so I won't know what to talk on tonight. So tonight I will only be treating the mistake I noticed from Mr. Daniel and Mr. Kenny charts that they send me. Not all. So that they send me, she understand. So at a point in this training, I'll be unmuting some of you to just talk if I feel like there is necessity for that. When I feel there is necessary, someone microphone is on and I don't know the person. Please, if your microphone is on, kindly help us off it so that we can enjoy this class. Now, I can see in the picture that you guys sent me, in the task I gave you guys that you sent me, you guys are making a whole bunch of mistakes. I think Mr. Daniel corrected that recently in the one he sent today. The last examples he sent today. Now, when you are assessing the trend, now, okay, I don't want to mix this thing together for you guys. Now, look at this is the daily time frame now. Now, look at the daily time frame. Now, let us be realistic with each other. That place where you are presently, just look at what you are seeing on my screen presently. What can you say this trend is? Now, automatically, if you can see that the whole overall trend of this is downtrend. The overall trend is downtrend. I'm coming. The overall trend is downtrend, right? The overall trend is downtrend. Now, that's the overall trend. And why did I say it's downtrend? Because I see that the price is going down. And if I need the structure, I can find the structure. The structure for downtrend is what? We've already discussed that earlier. We said the structure for downtrend is what? Lower highs and lower lows. So let's see if we have that here. Let's see. You have to make it reasonable to yourself. Now, I'm trying to figure this. So lower highs and lower low. Now, you have to make the chart reasonable to yourself. Now, we don't know if this one is reversing or is trying to. We don't know yet. But let me just assume. Let me just assume and put it there. Now, why is it that I only drew this part to it? Why? The reason is because I'm saying that the structure for downtrend is what? Lower high and lower low. So assuming I draw this now, let's say I draw this, I put this here. Now, and I say this is my lower low, then this is my lower high. Okay, that's correct. Yeah. That's correct. Yeah, correct. Yeah, correct. No, correct. Yeah, that's my lower high. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this is correct. Now, if I say this is my lower high, yeah, and this one from another lower low, then I will have to choose this again. You understand? And this is not valid as a lower high because price has broke it here. You understand, like that? So you have to just look at the reasonable edge where price is really making this turn, where price is really forming this structure, the lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. Now you can see from here, price move. Okay, yeah, there should be something here. This is where the first price was. Now from here, let's use this my trend stuff. From here, price move, form a lower low, form a lower high, form a lower low, form a lower high, then what? Form a lower low. Then I think price is trying to form a lower high. I don't know yet because we don't know. I just draw this to according to what I'm seeing. You understand? Now can you see like that? Automatically, what we are having, what price forming, what that downtrend, and automatically this is our resistance, this is our support, this is resistance, this is support, this is support, this is resistance. On the what? This is the daily time frame. Now see how I broke this chart down. You can see what you just have to first look at is like, look at the overall trend. The overall trend is the overall reaction. Now if you look at where this is from December 2019, everything that is happened from the chart from December 2019, automatically you can see that our price has been coming down. Now if you now concentrate, now you can now say you want to concentrate on this small trend that is here. If you look at here, this is a small trend that started here, but this trend you only see it on the 4 hours. Now let's go to the 4 hours. Let's go to the 4 hours. You know, the overall trend we see on the daily time frame is now on this daily time frame, we are looking the chart from 11 December to 29 May. That's close to like 7 months or 6 months. Now everything we are seeing on this chart right now is what happened in the market on Euro JPY on 6 months. Can you see the difference? Now let's go to 4 hours. Now look at 4 hours. Look what I have on my screen on 4 hours. Now let me just screen my charts. Now look what I have on my screen on 4 hours. Now look at 4 hours. This is 4 hours. Now this is what everything I'm seeing on my screen is what I have from what happened to this currency pair, Euro JPY, from February 12th to today. Now you can see that the range, as the time frame, as big as the time frame is the view you'll be seeing in the market. So that's why we say that it depends on what type of trader that you are that will determine the type of time frame you use for your analysis. Now let's look at this on the this is the 4 hour trend. Now let's look at this 4 hour trend. Now automatically on these 4 hours, I don't want to say, okay, now wow, correct. Now on these 4 hours we have a downtrend here. We have a downtrend here on these 4 hours. Now we have broke the downtrend. It's like we are going up in an uptrend now. It's like we are going up in an uptrend. We are going up in an uptrend now. Now I'm coming. Now, why did I say this is a downtrend? Because I can see structure of what? Lower highs and lower lows. Lower highs and lower lows. Wow, this structure is really crazy, man. See, this is shabby market. A lot of people will lose a lot of money here. But at the end of the day, you will see it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Now look at this. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. That's how the market moves in a downtrend. Now, let me just clear this chart. Now let's look at this uptrend. Now, why did we say this is an uptrend? Not because we just see that the price is going up. Now, the reason why we say this is an uptrend is because what? We see what? Formation of what? What is the structure of uptrend? Higher highs and higher low. Higher high, higher low rather. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, Price is still waiting. Price is still trying to form a higher high. It does not form a higher high here. So this is the next resistance. So it might form an higher high here. Might form an higher high here. Yeah. So price is still waiting to form an higher high. It's still waiting. Yeah. Price is still waiting to form an higher high. Yeah. So we are waiting for price to form an higher high. So once it forms an higher high, we are waiting for price to form an higher high. Then once price, let's assume that price form an higher high around here. Now, and our trend is like this, you understand? Now, if I have from our now we need price to create what? For us to buy, this is an uptrend. What do we do in an uptrend? We buy. For us to buy, we need what? A support. Now, if price come here, let's just say price got here. For us to buy, we need price to come to this around this trend and what? And form a support. Let's just say this area, then price will form a support. Then from this support, we do what? We buy. We continue to buy. You understand? If it's going to break this trend or not, if it's not going to break it, if it's not going to continue this trend, we can just buy it here. But if it's going to continue this trend, we can keep buying upward. Now, do you see that idea of this structure now? Now, mistake I'm seeing that most of you are making, the mistake I'm seeing you guys are making in the when you are drawing the trend is that you are not concentrating on what you are seeing on the chart. Like someone was drawing a trend like this. I saw someone draw a trend like this, like draw a trend like this, and was like, no, you don't have to make a meaning. You have to look at the like layman. Let me speak Yoruba. Now, layman, now when we get to the area where we use them for analysis, please, I'm coming. Let me switch on this one. When we get to the area, okay. Now, when we get to the area when we use them in our analysis, we will understand what I mean very, very well. Very, very well. You understand what I mean. But I just want you to get the structure, because this structure is what really bring cause confusion to a lot of traders. And I don't really know how else to explain for you guys, but because you guys are not really putting a lot of your time to this stuff. Now, you in the market, I've said this earlier, but I was not recording. I said for you to know that you understand everything I sent to you in the video or in this live Zoom, is the only time you can know whether you understand it or not is when you put them into place. Now, without putting them into place, you can never know whether you know it. You just feel like you know it. Let me tell you, that's what it's about it. More because but until you now start practicalizing it, drawing the zones, you now feel like can you make sense? You understand? Now that's the only time. So you have to practice a lot. We are not here to scold anybody. You don't know it, that's why you are here. So if you make mistake, is my like I will be very honored to correct you. So I need you guys to just put a lot of effort. Draw currency pair to one on the MT4 is more than 30. If you draw 8 every day, it cannot cost you 10 minutes or 20 minutes. You understand? Just dedicate 30 or an hour to the craft every day. At least that will pay you a lot. It will give you a lot of even me today that I was not even doing anything, I was not even trading. My head was still on MT4 because I was targeting JPY and JPY. I wanted to see their reaction so that I can put it, even while I'm not trading, I want to see how they react so that I can put that at the back of my hand that okay, we did this on Friday, so I expect on Monday should do this. I have to prepare ahead, even while I was so busy and even drinking, you understand? So these are part of the things you have to put in place as traders, because until you start to practice, that's when you tend to know if you understand this craft. Now, let's look at this structure now. Let's just look at what is on the screen. Let's just assume that I got one on the screen. But let's identify the support and resistance on this area. Now, I told you support and resistance that area where they are changing direction. If nobody change the direction, make here. Now, I saw here first. Just mark it in your own idea. Mark here. Just mark it. I saw here. Now, when we get to the analysis part, I will show you how to draw them perfectly. Right now, we are just identifying the structure, so you draw them as you want. So I'm also drawing them like a newbie. You understand? So I saw here. Now, support and resistance. This is support, this is resistance, this is support, this is resistance. And I think you two are also naming them with me, because I expect you should be able to identify, because all of you are just saying no question, no question, no question. So that means automatically you understand what I'm saying. That's why I'm speaking in the terms I've used in my videos earlier, because I believe you guys have watched it, and you, without question, that means you understand what I mean. So now, okay, yeah, okay, yeah. There's a lot of support and resistance here, but I don't want to me choppy, so I'm not drawing it. There's a lot here, but I don't need it. I'm just trying to be a novice, and I'm trying to just draw what I can see. Now look at what I draw here. Now, if you can agree with me, this is our resistance, right? Now price form what? Support here, right? Price form what here? Resistance, right? Price form what here? Support, right? Price form what here? Resistance, right? Price form what here? Resistance, right? Price form what here? Support, right? Price form support, right? Resistance, right? Support, right? And this one as well, support. Now that's the layman drawing of this structure. That's the one layman drawing that you drew it like a layman, like what we can see. Yeah, you did well, you did good, because you drew what you can see. These are what area of support and resistance. When we get to the area where we will use them in our analysis, you will concentrate more on how you can perfect them, how we can put them in place. If you watch that, I'm taking it back to the basic video very well, but most of you just watch it like a newbie. So if that video has everything about what I'm going to teach you till you finish this course, but because most of you will just watch it paraphrasing, that video will be everything we'll be referring to. It contains virtually, because that video I made it for a revision class for my students, during my master class that I just finished. So it contains virtually everything we are going to learn in this course. So I will just be making videos and verifying you to it. Now, okay, now let's now look at, okay, since we just draw the support and now let's look at area that interchange, area where support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. Now this is the first area that I can see. I have seen this area. Now you can see it was what here? Resistance. Now it becomes support here. Good, we did well. Now this was support. This was support before. Now it became support again. So support, nice one. Now this is a good one. It was support earlier. Now it become resistance. You can see. Let's just note those area. Now look at this. Now look at this. This was resistance here. Resistance, support, fine. This zone is not the same thing. Yeah, look at this zone. Yeah, look at this zone. I want to show you something. Yeah. Now look at this zone. You can see it was resistance here. It becomes support here. Price bought from there. Nice one. Yeah, I think that's the one area where we can see on the chart. Now, you see the ideology that I used to draw this now. The first idea is what? Just identify the areas where you can change in direction on the chart. Please, I need you guys to get this. Daniel has got this very well. I like the last one he sent to me. I think he has. I did what I said to him this morning. He paid him. That's why he went to do something good. I like what he sent to me tonight. Now, the first thing is what? First, draw the support and resistance that you can just see every area you can see on the chart. Then the second is now what we have to consider that, okay, support will load resistance will load the support. Okay, support will load and be tele to support in B. Resistance will load and be tele to hold as resistance in B. You understand? That's what you use to predict to predict or suggest what is going to happen next on the chart. You understand? So let me go to another currency pair. Let me use another currency pair that I'm not familiar with. I only trade two currency pairs. So let me choose Euro AUD. I like Euro AUD, but it's too heavy. It's too heavy. The currency is very, very heavy. It's very, very heavy. When I say currency is heavy, that means the exchange rate is heavy. Like it can now look at this currency pair. Now let's look at this currency. This is the daily time frame. Now, what can we see on this currency pair? Now, automatically, it was consolidating here, right? Consolidation. Oh, fuck. It was consolidating here. Then now, let me delete this consolidation. Okay, now, let me delete. Let me just. Now, we had, let me use Now we had an uptrend here. We had an uptrend here. Now we are having a downtrend here. Now, okay, let me deal with this uptrend first. Now, why did I say this is an uptrend? Now, you just don't see that. Now you have to do that where it started, our lower high, our higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low. This was crazy movement in the market. I like this. This is crazy. Then higher high. Now here we expect to form what? Higher low here. We expect to form higher low here. We expected it to form now. Let me remove this. This is where the trend is now. Okay, yeah. Now here we expect it to form higher low at this place, so that it can continue going up. But what happened? It broke it. Now immediately it broke that higher low. That is automatically know that what? This uptrend, Otitan, that means that uptrend is invalid now. The market is not moving in an uptrend again. Now we have to wait to see, is it going to consolidate or start a downtrend? We have to wait. Now let me just close on. Now the trend, okay, let's say this was where we expected to go up, but it didn't go up. Now the downtrend started from here. Now let's see. Lower low, lower high at support, at resistance, lower low, lower high. Let me just zoom it very, very well. Lower high. Now we're expecting price to form another lower low, but it has not formed that lower low, so price is going to go down on this pair. Now let's just draw this. Let me draw. I like this stuff. Let me just put it there so that you can just see what I'm trying to analyze. Now you see, so we expect price to just go down more, but it has not go down yet. Now in the market, I told you downtrend is like this. Every time it won't be like this. So sometimes market, you just know that it's going down. Market can come like this. You can see, it's not that every time the structure will be perfect like that, but the structure will be intact. The lower highs and lower lows for the downtrend will be intact. The higher highs and higher lows for the uptrend will be intact. But your own, as the trader, is just will understand the structure of this trend and understand that support, whenever support is broken, or whenever support breaks, it becomes resistance. And whenever resistance breaks, it becomes support. Now let's go to the 4 hours. Let's go to the 4 hours to see more, to identify more areas. It will be interesting. Yeah. No, okay. Let me just. Now this is the 4 hours time frame, guys. Now, and you can see this crazy downward movement. You can see this crazy downtrend. You can see. Let me just draw it from here. Let me just. Yes, you can see the downtrend is still going. The downtrend is still going. I'm not seeing the structure very well. Let me just. Okay, fine. It depends on how. Okay, yeah. Okay, just put it like this. Let's just put it like this. Okay, this seems like the downtrend has finished. Now let's identify this downtrend. Now let's identify this downtrend. Now, what do we say is downtrend? Because why do we say? Because we can see what lower highs and lower lows forming. Okay, this is where the trend ends. I think this is where it ends. Okay, no, it doesn't end here. It continues. can see bí mo ń shrink chart yẹn ni mo ń rí nǹkan tó wà important, ni mo ń rí zones tó wà interesting tó dẹ̀ wà important. Now I told you we sell from what? We sell from resistance, we buy from support. Now let's just look at this chart. Let's just be reasonable. Now we chart it, this was what? Resistance. If we sell from here, we make profit. If we sell from here, we make profit. Let's just look at with a layman, we are looking at like a layman. Now, okay, this was support. If we buy from here, we make profit. This was resistance. If we sell from here, we make profit. You understand? Price from another resistance here. If you sell from there, we make profit. Support, if we buy, we make profit. We sell, we make profit. We are just addressing this as a layman. Don't say when you see support, there are things we look forward to when we see a support and resistance. Is it going to hold? Is it going to sell? Because whenever, let's say, now let's put this instance like, right now. Okay, let's put this instance like this is a support zone. Let's say this is a support. And if price is coming to a support like this, in comedy two things can happen. Is either price buy from that support, one. Oh, I'm just okay. Is there buy from that support, or the price buy this support here buy? Go break here. Now, as you get to break here, support is the key resistance. Are you getting now? It's either price get there, the price get to support and buy, or get to support and break that support, indirectly turning that support to resistance. Wow, our time will soon be up. Turn that support to resistance. Hope you understand me. And when price get to resistance, only two things can happen. Let me just address that before I ask you guys question. Please drop your question. If you want to ask this question, please drop your questions. I just going to beg you, please. When it gets to resistance, either I get to that resistance and sell, or it gets to that resistance and what? And break it. Automatically turn that resistance to what? Support and buy from there. Now, are you getting that idea? That is the foundation of support, resistance, breakout, and retest strategy. Yes, that's the foundation. Right now, we are just learning the structure, not how to analyze. We are not yet. What I want you guys to know is how to identify the support and resistance, how to identify the trends. These are what that are very, very important to us right now. Because once you understand that, when we get to the analysis part, it will be very, very easy for you guys. You understand? It will be very, very, very easy. But for you to now know if you understand everything you are seeing on this chart is only where you practice yourself. You have to practice yourself. If you don't practice yourself, forget it. Money to practice. If you not practice, it will feel like you know it. You understand? So you can drop questions if there's any. And if there's no question, then I believe we are good. At least I can end the class. I need a lot of rest. Tomorrow is a very fixed day for me as well. So I'm waiting for you guys' question. If there's no question, just type your question for me in the chat section if you have any. And if there's no question, I'll give you guys tags when I get to the WhatsApp group. Yeah, very soon I'll be creating another group which will not be on WhatsApp, because I feel like because you guys are using WhatsApp, you feel like it's very common. Everybody use WhatsApp. So I want to create another platform for us to chat and communicate. In that session, I believe you will take it serious like you are here to learn trading, because you have to open the app before you will see my message. So for you to open the app, it will take a lot of seriousness. So I know in that way, some of you will even forget that you started trading. Some of you forget that you started learning FOREX. Only the one that are serious will be there. You understand? So I'm going to create another group for us this weekend by God's grace. I'll create it this weekend. I'm working on it yesterday. I just slept off. So okay, I think someone dropped a question. How do we know when the trend will end, sir? I told you we are not yet in the analysis part. The first thing we are here to do is what? To understand the trend and the structures of the trend. We are not here at, that's not the question. That's not my question right now. We are not here at the area where we analyze. When we get to the area where we analyze, that's where we look to when the support, when the resistance we end or resistance we hold. What are the things to consider when to know if the resistance we end or resistance we hold? We are not yet there. Right now, I'll ask anything that relates to what we are doing right now. Everything is step by step. You cannot know if you don't know how to identify his trend. How will you know if it will break or it will hold? or continue, if it will continue or it will stop. There are structures we see when trend wants to break or when trend wants to hold. You understand? So these are when we get to the analysis part, we get it. So I think there's nobody has any other question. So I think we are done for the day. So I will drop the task in the group for you guys to do. Please and please, I use God to beg. If you don't do this task, I will just assume you already know it. That's one thing about me. If you don't do the task, I will assume you already know it. So there's no, I will just talk on everything I've seen. The correction I made today was due to what I saw in Mr. Kenny and Mr. Daniel group that they say. I think Daniel has corrected his own. So Mr. Kenny, to look at what I said tonight, watch the video again, and please look back to what you said to us some days ago, and you will try and figure out what I mean, what I mean there. So compare the two, and make new stuff for us. You understand? So that's it, guys. Have a lovely night. Enjoy your weekend. Yeah, we are good to go. I'll send the video. Yeah, I'll send the video. Okay.